Breaking free from sugar addiction. Practical tips. Sugar addiction can be challenging to overcome, but with practical tips, you can break free and regain control of your health. Let's explore how. Step 1. Identify hidden sugars. Learn to identify hidden sugars in processed foods, beverages, and condiments. Read food labels and be aware of different names for sugar, such as sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, or dextrose. Step 2. Gradually reduce sugar intake. Start by gradually reducing your sugar intake. Replace sugary snacks and drinks with healthier alternatives like fruits, unsweetened beverages, or homemade snacks. Step 3. Opt for whole foods. Choose whole foods that are naturally sweet, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These provide essential nutrients and fiber while satisfying your sweet cravings. Step 4. Find healthy substitutes. Experiment with healthy substitutes like stevia, monk fruit, or spices such as cinnamon or vanilla to add flavor to your meals without relying on refined sugars. Step 5. Practice mindful eating. Engage in mindful eating by paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down and savor each bite to appreciate the natural sweetness of food. Step 6. Seek support. Reach out for support from friends, family, or join a support group to share your journey and gain encouragement from others who are also overcoming sugar addiction. By identifying hidden sugars, gradually reducing your sugar intake, opting for whole foods, finding healthy substitutes, practicing mindful eating, and seeking support, you can break free from sugar addiction and enjoy a healthier, more balanced life.